Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your e-statement from MSNBD LIV app. So for that I will open the LIV app first of all, and then I will log in. So I'll have to put my password here. Once I'm done with that, I will log in. And now once I'm done with logging in, I will go to help, and in there I will go to apply for a new service and then letter and certificates. And once I'm here, I will go to authenticated statement. And now I have these two accounts. I will choose my saving account. If you have to, you can choose any whichever you want it for. And here you can choose your period. So if it's 6 months or 3 months, whatever you want. And then if you want it to be delivered to your house, you can click that and you'll have to pay 26 dirhams for that. But I don't need that. I'll just continue and I will say slide to confirm. And I'll put my smart pin here. Once I'm done with that, here basically I can right away download that as well. They'll send it to my mail as well, but I can download here. You can see the download statement. And once I'm done with downloading, I can really share straight away from that. So if it's there, you can see the share option. I can share this to anyone. So right away from here, you can go to your WhatsApp and you can share it to whoever you want it to be shared. So this is how easy it is to download and share your Emirates NBD LIV app e-statement. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.